Have you ever been somewhere so beautiful, so full of life, that it stays with you long after you've returned home? That's exactly how I feel every time I pick up my paintbrush. Every piece of art I create is infused with the memories, colors, and emotions of my travels. Because travel isn't just about the places we go, it's about how those places make us feel. And for me, art's the same. When I travel, I don't just see a place, I feel it. I soak in the colors, the soft blush of a Parisian sunrise, the deep blues of the Mediterranean, the golden hues of a Tuscan vineyard at sunset. I take notes, I sketch, I capture fleeting moments because I know that later, in my studio, when I return home, they'll find their way into my work. I remember the way the cool air from the Scottish seaside felt on my face, and the contrasting warmth of the sun peeking through the clouds after hiking an Icelandic glacier. And when I paint, all of that comes rushing back to me. The movement, the energy, the mood of the moment. Art to me is more than just painting pretty pictures. It's about capturing an experience, a feeling, and a memory. It's about telling a story with color and brushstrokes instead of words or even photography. And when you bring one of my pieces into your home, you're not just decorating a wall. You're bringing the essence and energy of a piece of that adventure into your life. Maybe it's the soft serenity of a coastal seascape that reminds you to slow down and breathe, or the abstract swirls of color that transport you to a place you've always dreamed of visiting. Maybe it's a burst of vibrant florals that brings joy and energy into your space, like a reminder to embrace life's beauty, even in the everyday, especially in the everyday. Because isn't that what we all want? To surround ourselves with things that make us feel something? Art has the power to take us places, even when we're standing still. And that's what I hope my paintings do for you. Each brushstroke is a memory, a moment, a story waiting to be told. And I'd love for you to be a part of that story. Every time someone chooses one of my pieces for their home, I imagine where it's going. Is it a reminder of a place you've been to? Or a dream of a place you long to visit? Maybe it simply stirs something in you, a feeling of peace, of happiness, of nostalgia. Whatever it is, I hope my art brings that into your life. If my art speaks to you, I invite you to explore my latest collection at Traikos.com. Find the piece that calls to you, the one that makes you pause, breathe, and dream. Because art isn't just about something we look at, it's something we feel. Thank you for being here and spending this time with me in my little art studio. Thank you for supporting an artist who pours her heart into every creation. I cannot wait to see where my art takes you. Thanks for watching.